Morning, student. Since last two times we have been doing the basic graphics, and you have seen how to draw the line, how to draw rectangle, etc. And this time you are going to see how to draw a circle and how to produce sound in the basic, and also how you can insert text into the graphics. So these three things you are going to learn in this video. Let's see one by one.
Circle statement: draw a circle around the given coordinate of the specified radius. The syntax of this statement is circle x, y, r, where x, y are the coordinates of the center of circle and r is the value of radius of the circle. The following basic program creates a circle with the green border and filled with the yellow color. You can see the program is given at page number 77. Pen width 3, color green, yellow, circle 150, 150, 140. So 150, 150 is the center of circle, whereas the length of radius is 140. So this way you can draw the circle, and after that at the same page one question is given for you. You can try at home, and the solution is also given at the next page. In the next page you can see the program is given. The pen width 3, color black, red, circle 150, 150, 150, slightly change, and again the color statement is used and then circle statements are used. So here total 3 circle statements are used, two circles for the two eyes and one circle, the first one is used for the face. So 3 circles, and after that the rectangular command is used for the nose and the mouth. So both are the rectangle, one is a horizontal type, one is a vertical type, and we have to select the coordinate. So this way you can draw. After that the text in the graphics output area also can be inserted. The example and the syntax is given like this. The using the font statement. The syntax of font statement is font, font name, size in points, and width also. So these are the numbers required. You can say assign some number, and after that the text can be inserted by the text statement given below. The syntax of text statement is text x, y, expression. This is given at page number 78. You can go through that. In the next page again some program is given. uh, this is a solved question given, and sidewise the output is also given, hello, how are you. So if you want to type, so the program would be like this: CLG, color red, after that the font, the name of font, after that its position, after that the text which what you want to write. So you can practice. After that the last statement is the sound statement. Sound statement, this is the unique feature of the basic language, where you can create a sound of any say quality of sound. Means the two numbers are required. Look at the statement here. um, Sound frequency comma duration, where frequency and duration are the number. The sound, the audible range of sound is from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So the value must be inside the range. And sound command also, it can be used to create the notes like sare gama padhani. So here at page number 79 you can see, by typing sound 261 61 comma 500 produce the notes uh, sa. Similarly the other notes can also be produced. And at last page number 80 also some program, one program is sample given, and with the solution you can go through that. Circle
So this is all about the basic graphics, and the exercise questions I shall provide through the Google Classroom next time. So thank you.